Good morning everybody. Today in this video we are going to be reading through our comprehension, Taking Care of a Dog. I will then be sharing with you some comprehension strategies that I like to use. The first thing I like to do is I like to read through all my questions before even reading my piece. How does a dog cool itself down? Why is having a dog a big responsibility? How can you tell if a dog is happy? Find a word that means to stay away from. What foods are dangerous for dogs to eat? How often does a dog need to be taken for a walk? How can you keep your dog safe in public places? What is a litter? How old must puppies be before they can start eating solid food? Why do you think dogs are such a popular pet to have? Now I will begin reading. Taking care of a dog. Dogs are a very popular pet to have, but they need to be cared for correctly. They love attention and to play and be stroked. Also, they like to be with people and look forward to seeing you. Dogs vary in size. Some are big like a Great Dane and some can be small like a Yorkshire Terrier. When dogs are happy, they can be seen wagging their tails. When they are hot, they often pant and stick out their tongue to cool down. A dog's fur is like a coat you might wear during winter as it keeps them warm. Owning a dog is extremely rewarding and can be fun, but it is also a big responsibility. Dogs need to be fed the right kinds of food and must avoid others such as chocolate and grapes, which would make them very ill. Owners must also ensure their dog has a comfortable place to sleep. Some dogs like to sleep outdoors, but other dogs like to be nice and cozy inside the house. Exercise is vital to help dogs stay healthy, and daily walks are essential. You must always make sure your dog stays safe by keeping them on a lead in public places, such as the park. Baby dogs are called puppies and they are born in a litter. This means that 3, 4 or more puppies are born at one time. From birth, they drink milk from their mum. They have to be about 4 weeks old before they start to eat solid food. Now that I have read my piece, I will take a second look at my questions and read through them. I will then read my piece a second time. This time I like to have a highlighter and a pencil at hand. When reading through the piece, I like to keep looking at my questions and writing down where I think I might find the answer to each question. For example, I've written on the side question 1 and question 3 to the first paragraph. This is because I think this is where I can find the answers to question 1 and question 3. I also like to highlight the specific sentence where I think I could find an answer. So for question 1, how does a dog cool itself down? I will refer back to paragraph 1 and have a look at what I have highlighted. Don't forget you must use full sentences in your answers. So to answer this question correctly, it must begin with, a dog cools itself down by, and then find your answer. Another option you could do is highlight key words in the questions. So for question 2, I have highlighted the word responsibility. In my paragraph, I have also highlighted the word responsibility. I know when answering my questions, I can take a look up and find the word responsibility, and I know that I will find my answer around this word. Remember, do not take the sentence directly from the piece of reading, as it will not make sense in an answer. Another thing to remember is that not all questions can be found in your piece of reading. For example, question 10, why do you think dogs are such a popular pet to have? This is your own opinion and cannot be found in the piece of reading. Best of luck. Thank you.